Hi sir, welcome to the homework, the control system 1 second homework. I'm going to solve the first question, which says to obtain the closed loop transfer function for this block diagram. So it's a reduction. When we first see this figure, first thing we're going to make these two parallel. So it's going to be G2 plus 1. Then let's go down there. Okay, it's going to be G2 plus G1. We need to find ys over xs, which is the output over the input. Here, yeah, we know that it's G2 plus 1. Then here we have the A node and B node. When we want to find the y, actually it's going to be A multiplied by G2 plus 1. Okay, it's y. And we also, if you want to find b here, b will be a3, like a3, ag3 minus by. By that we have already found here, which is a multiplied by g2 plus 1. Let me make it plus 1. So I made it just right here. The y is equals to a multiplied by g2 plus 1. And the b equals to ag3, like it's coming from here and from here. Okay, so ag3 minus y equals to ag3 minus a. I just make it together. Then, after this step, we have this unknown block. Just like name it x or something, but let us name it question mark. Okay, so to find this question mark, we just need to say that b equals to this question mark multiplied by y. Just, yeah? Yes, b, y, yeah, multiplied by question mark. And a, if you want to find it, not b, a, which also when we want to find it from a, it's going to be a multiplied by the 1 plus g. Okay, so it's going to be a multiplied by 1 plus g2, of course multiplied by the question mark. Okay, so when we find it, okay, let's make it, let's multiply it together. So it's going to be a I'm sorry. So it's going to be a multiplied by g3 minus 1 minus g, I'm sorry again, minus g2 equals to what? Equals to a multiplied by 1 plus g2. Okay, we found the b here actually, so it's okay. From here we found it. Then it's going to be multiplied by the question mark. The a will go with the a. If we want to find the question mark, this will be there, so it's going to be g3 minus 1 minus g2 over, over the 1 plus g. Okay, so it's going to be g3 minus 1 plus g2, yes, over 1 plus g2. This is a block. This is the question mark. Now we just want to make a backward loop. It's going to be g1 multiplied by 1 plus g2 over 1 plus this thing here multiplied by g1 multiplied by 1 plus g2. Let me make it. So it's going to be, if we want to make it as a drawing here, as a drawing, it will be, this is g1, yes, and here g1, g2, and here is the question, which is this one. Then here is the mixer and blah blah blah, a simple one. Here is multiply, so it's going to be, let me do it here. It's going to be g1 multiplied by 1 plus g1, 1 plus g2. Okay, over 1 plus, then we're going to multiply v, just like that. g1 multiplied by 1 plus g2, yes, multiplied by g2, over the 1 plus g2, but we need to write the, like, I'm sorry, this one here, okay, this one, just write it as this, g1, 1 plus g2, and g3 minus 1, here will be g3, 1 plus, there is the minus, I'm sorry, yep, minus 1 plus g2. This is the transfer function, but we need to simplify it. How do we simplify it? It's very easy actually. We're just, let me do another paper. Okay, this will go with that, and when we do it again, it's going to be the transfer function, the final transfer function, y over s, x, I'm sorry, y s over xs will be g1 multiply g1 multiplied by 1 plus g3 over what? Over 1 plus g1 multiplied by g3 minus 1 minus the g2, and that is the final transfer function, or final closed loop transfer function. That's it. Thank you, sir.